Welcome back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. But with that being said, we're going to keep this job lead very short, sweet, and to the point. The company USAble Life is a life insurance broker company. They are hiring a customer service and care associate to work Monday through Friday during the daytime hours. No evenings, no weekends, no holidays required. That is rare with a customer service position. They are hiring all within the United States. However, you must be willing to work Central Standard Time hours. Now, you will be doing basic customer service. You need to be committed to delivering the best insurance products to their customers. You need to be invested in the success of their team, engage in a group of individuals working towards the same goal. They want someone to demonstrate both in word and action a high quality of care, service, and accountability. Someone who can communicate professionally and empathetically to make it easy for members and employers to understand and access their benefits. Someone to be committed and ensure that they remain the preferred choice for insurance products for employers, insurance agents, and brokers in their network. So some of the main duties of the job are to provide excellent service by listening, understanding, and demonstrating empathy for the caller's needs, review and explain their coverage, claim status, or claim decisions. You'll have to navigate multiple computer systems with customer information to answer their inquiries, and you'll respond to all questions from members, employers, and brokers regarding claims, policies, and billing requests. Now, a little bit about what this job offers you in return is pay starts at a minimum of $18 an hour. So there is a chance that you can get hired starting out at more than that. That is the minimum. And they also offer perfect attendance awards up to $1,700 annually, plus a $3,000 sign-on bonus. Offer outstanding and affordable benefit packages that include medical, dental, vision. They offer 401k plans with matches, paid time off, yearly performance bonuses, and paid 4-week training. So training is paid. They do require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. 1-year customer service experience, and if you can demonstrate career stability, they would like someone who has experience working in life, health, or supplemental insurance in the past, and basic knowledge of Microsoft Office, including Word, Excel, and Outlook. If you end up applying for this job or any of the other job leads that I post, please leave that in the comments. I know some people have gotten interviews and have gotten hired for these jobs, and it makes me excited to see the feedback and know that these job leads are being helpful. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.